Standing along the Ohio River today, everything feels calm. Water moves slowly past the shoreline, and Point Pleasant feels like any other small river town. But this wasn't always just another crossing. The Silver Bridge once stood here, connecting West Virginia to Ohio. Built in 1928, it carried thousands of people across the river every day. At the time, it was considered modern, reliable, part of everyday life. On December 15th, 1967, that changed in an instant. During rush hour traffic, the bridge suddenly failed. Within moments, it collapsed into the river below. 46 people lost their lives. The disaster led to changes in how bridges across the country are inspected. But here, it became something more. In the months leading up to the collapse, people in this area reported seeing something unusual. A large figure, moving through the sky near the river and surrounding countryside. Descriptions were similar. Tall, winged, with glowing red eyes. Many of those sightings were reported near the old TNT Area just outside town, a former World War II munitions site, now quiet, overgrown, and reclaimed by nature. It became the center of the story. Some believed the sightings were a warning. Others saw them as coincidence. But after the collapse, the story took hold, and the figure became known as the Mothman. Today, Point Pleasant remembers both the tragedy of the bridge and the legend that followed. The Mothman Museum and statue stand just blocks away from the river. Visitors come to see the story that turned this small town into something unforgettable. Here, history and legend share the same riverbank. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.